All right. So basically, we're inside the studio where John is in the back sculpting the fenders for the 355. Basically, just walk in, ask him some questions about it, and figure out what's going on. Meanwhile, photo shoot time. You know what time it is. All right, John, what is this about?
It's an old fried chicken oven.
Okay, but are you making chicken? What's in here? It has to be heated or something?
Yeah, you gotta heat it to like 150 before you can use it.
Oh god, because it'll be sculptable and stuff? All right, did you find this on Craigslist?
Yeah, we got it from like an old bakery place.
That's hilarious.
I hate when it's like that. You just gotta add a little tiny fucking bit there.
That shows really what we're talking about.
We can't go crazy here, but we'll see what he thinks about it.
That was better.
All this will be cut away anyway.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
but I need to make this nice so that it releases when you pull the mold.
All right, so it took me forever to go through 36 exposures. Let's pop it out. Boom. Look at that. Old school. All right, so we're gonna open the gate because it's colder outside and it's just hot as balls here. Whew. Look how dark it is outside. We're gonna try to get some circulation in here. Look at this.
Doesn't actually have one either.
I've seen it.
Let there be air. All right, so you said almost halfway done. What's left on the lineup?
So you just gotta finish, just really finish the edges and dial the lines really, because everything is still very rough. The front, we gotta get the front, that lower piece. So it needs to be dial, a little bit of detail on the side, and then really just finish off all the edges. It's just the little things that take a lot of time.
Sure. And you're happy so far?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks cool. It was Well, it's definitely cool to see the details coming in on the back part, and just to see how you molded it, add,
It's
take
just
away.
time consuming.
Yeah.
It's just really not satisfying because it just takes a lot of time.
Right.
But I mean, we started last Saturday. We really only worked a couple days on it, so it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty badass. What say you?
I'm happy. This is gonna be happy.
Tim's happy. That's all that matters. So
We're getting there.
I mean,
the form is starting to look really nice. I'm really liking where we've been taking it. We're getting some really nice,
yeah, that was
structural forms to it.
it was definitely cool to see all of this coming to life, and how that kind of leads right into the bumper.
Really getting happy with this form that's coming through here. Getting really nice matching. These lines are starting to match up. Very sculptural.
You could just sell this for Easter. Have a big chocolate piece. Chocolate fender. There you guys have it. A little peek into what it takes to build out a custom fender set. I'm sure you guys will see this when it exhibits at SEMA. Yeah. Until then, it's low key. You guys will see it. Peace.